This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Laura Jones. Recent updates, 2020-2021, include remodeled kitchen, bathroom renovation, additional bedroom main level, new deck, custom privacy fence, 2017, new front porch flooring and railing, 2021. All of this on a large corner lot with a detached garage/workshop. New vinyl windows, 2017. Stock tank pool and fire pit in backyard.Plus, 672 square feet unfinished basement for extra storage. This adorable home is close to our beautiful downtown, UT, Ijams Nature Center, shopping and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Jones at 865-693-1111.